Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing precisely. Clean the screen with the alcohol wipe, then buff with the microfiber cloth to remove oils. Once done, use the adhesive dust tab to pick stray particles. Dust ruins adhesion. Now peel the backing off the guide sticker strip and position it along the device edges and camera cutouts so alignment is perfect. Make sure your hands are steady and the workspace is flat. Small angles change fit dramatically, so take a breath and set the sticker firmly. You now use the guide stickers as a hinge. Attach them to the exposed edge of the protector and lift it halfway to check alignment. Once aligned, lower the protector slowly from one side to the other so air moves out in a controlled path. As you press, use a squeegee or a credit card wrapped in a soft cloth. Press the center first, then sweep outward in steady strokes. This method removes bubbles and ensures edge-to-edge adhesion while preventing misalignment. Slow is precise. You finish by peeling off the guide stickers and the protector's final release layer, then press the edges firmly with the squeegee to ensure a full seal. If you see small bubbles, push them toward the nearest edge with steady pressure. For trapped dust, use a fine needle to lift just enough to insert an adhesive dust tab and remove the particle. If many particles remain, lift the protector partially using the guide stickers, redust the screen, and reapply. This prevents scratches and restores perfect clarity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.